Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out the F-35 by DEERC. This thing is so cool looking. I have used my jumper here to get a little better range. The factory remote only gives you like 650 feet. So if you want to do that like I did, you can use the FX9630 subtype and you'll be good to go. I will make a video about that. But anyway, let's get it in there and see what it can do. I have it on gyro mode. I do have that set up on my toggle there. I just have gyro and then I have 3D mode. So I have like the highest rate on the flaps. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Wish me luck. Oh yeah, and it's off. Using the jumper remote. Nice amount of range now for sure. Nice remote. Well, it's really windy out. It's amazing that airplane's handling that up there. Better bring it down a little bit. Bit choppy. Wow, huge amount of range now. That's for sure, guys. Get up there with the real jets now. Just kidding. Maybe. Wow. Try to get a little bit closer to us here. We got to keep these EDFs moving pretty good. I don't really have a good spot to fly an EDF airplane and get a good close-up of it. We'll get there one day. Wow, so I like this a lot. This is a brushless motor. I believe it's like 30 millimeter, 35 millimeter, somewhere in that range. Very cool. Should be able to get about 10 minutes flight, they're saying, per battery. You do get 2 batteries with this kit. The RTF kit comes complete with the remote batteries charger and the airplane. Wow, so far guys, I have excellent range using this jumper remote with it. So if you're having any issues with range, I would recommend using your multi-protocol radio to connect to them. Using the FX9630 subtype. Use the multi and then the FX, and then the subtype would be 9630. And that works with my F-35, my J-20 ducted fan, the SR-72 by DEERC. And you have the feel of a higher quality remote too, not such a toy quality remote. Alright guys, we better bring it in for a landing. It is really windy. I don't want to mess this model up, so I'm going to try to bring it in nice and gentle. I'm going to try. Super nice looking airplane. Looks to scale to me. Don't quote me on that. Looks really good. Oops. That'll work. Alright guys, there you have it. F-35 hooked to the jumper remote. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.